welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on December 27 to January 2nd 2021. Today I use all the digital and printable deal. So let's jump on the CVS couponing deal. So the first deal it's Paparazzi nail deal. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail care and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail care, it's 2 for $5. Use $1 of 5 Paparazzi CVS CRT. Also use $1 of Paparazzi Wipe CVS CRT. This one also attached with this nail care and it's going completely fine. Pay only just $3 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Neutrogena and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena lip care product. It's $23.58. It's look like this. I buy 2 Neutrogena lip care product. It's $23.58. I use buy one get one free Neutrogena CVS CRT. I use $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay only just $5.79 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 Clairol hair care and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Clairol hair color, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use buy one get one free digital coupon. It's took $7.99. Use $5 of $2 CVS CRT. I also use $5 of 2 printable coupon. It's no longer available. Pay nothing out of pocket and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $4 money maker. The next deal is Eucerin lotion deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin cream 8 OZ. It's $19.98. Use $4 of $20 CVS CRT. Use $3.50 printable coupon on eucerinus.com. Pay only just $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Gillette or Venus razor deal. Buy 1 Gillette razor or Venus razor and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Gillette Venus razor, it's $9.99. Use $3 of Gillette or Venus CVS CRT. I also use $3 of Gillette Venus digital coupon. Pay only just $3.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Garnier facial care deal. But if this deal you can do if you have this $6 of $25 CVS CRT, then you can do this deal. Spend $25 on Garnier facial care and get back $7 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 1 Garnier micellar towel. It's $7.79. Buy 1 Garnier skin active towel. It's $7.29. I also buy 1 Garnier green lap cleanser. It's $9.99. The totals come out $25.07. Use $6 of $25 Garnier facial care CVS CRT. Use $2 of Garnier micellar CVS CRT. Also I have the $2 of Garnier green lap CVS CRT. I just pay $11.07 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is only $4.07 or $1.35 each. This facial care also count the CVS Beauty Reward. The next deal it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. I buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It's $11.96. It's $2.99 each. I use one $3 of $12 CVS CRT. Pay or roll only just $8.95 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 96 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal is Olay Ivory Body Wash and Dove Body Wash deal. Buy 2 Ivory and Olay Body Wash and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Also, I use in this transaction buy 1 Dove Body Wash and get back $3 ECB. Its limit also 1 per household. I buy 2 Olay Body Wash. It's $12. It's 2 for $12. I also buy 1 Dove Body Wash. It's $8.99. I use one $3 of $20 CVS CRT. I also use one $3 of 2 Olay Body Wash CVS CRT. Pay $14.99 and get back $5 ECB for Olay Body Wash and get back $3 ECB for Dove Body Wash. The final cost is all 3 body wash. It's $6.99 or $2.33 each. This one also count the CVS Beauty Reward. The next deal is Beauty 360 Cotton Deal. Spend $10 on cotton and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 4 Beauty 360 cotton. It's $10. It's 2 for $5. Use one $2 of $10 CVS CRT. I also use one $1 of Beauty 360 cotton CVS CRT. Pay $7 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $4 or $1 each. The next deal is spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. In this deal, you can do if you have this $3 of CVS CRT. Buy 1 Vicks sore throat spray. It's $9.99. It's look like this. This is the VapoCool sore throat spray. And I also buy 1 Vicks cough syrup. It's $9.99. It's look like this. The totals come out $19.98. Use one $3 of VapoCool spray CVS CRT. I also use one $3 of Vicks cough CVS CRT. Pay only just $13.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal is Dove Degree or X deodorant deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Also, they have buy one get one 50% off. Buy 1 Dove dry spray deodorant. It's $7.99. I also buy 1 Dove Advanced Deo. It's $3.64 because it's buy one get one 50% off. Also buy 1 Dove Original deodorant. It's $4.99. Use $2 of Dove digital coupon. And also they have $1 of Dove digital coupon. Pay only just $11.62 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $2.20 each. The next deal is spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay. It's $15.98. Also buy 2 Always Paid. It's $8. It's 2 for $8. Also buy 2 Always Tampon. It's also $8. The totals come out $31.98. Use one $5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use one $3 of L'Oreal Mystery Coupon on Coupon Center. It's printed today. Also, I have one $2 off $16 paid liner CVS CRT. I also have two $3 off paid and tampon digital coupon. It's come today. Pay only just $15.98 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The next deal it's food deal. Sour Patch and cookie or cracker deal. Buy 2 Oreo cookie, it's $4. Use one $2 off 2 coupon on coupon center. It's printed this week. Also, I have $1 off Pili. It's look like this. This one I purchased on Safeway Oreo cookie. Then they have the attached with that, and I have one left. I use this one because it's 3.5 OZ. It's on larger, and this one it's work fine. I just pay only $1. The final cost is only just 50 cents each. The next deal it's CVS Health Aspirin deal. Buy one CVS Health Aspirin, it's $2.89. Use one $3 of CVS brand aspirin CVS CRT. Pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. It's look like this. So friend, this is my this week couponing haul. Hope this deal it's helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon so whenever I upload my video, you have a notification. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.